Hello guys, welcome to the new video of IPCS Digital. Today we are going to learn how to switch from a personal Instagram profile to business account. Before that, let me introduce you to the wide world of Instagram business. As we all know, Instagram is one of the most popular, fastest growing social media platforms and one that your business should be using. Now let's see how to switch from personal Instagram account to business account. So as you can see here, I have a personal account with the username IPCS Tutorial. Now go to the settings at the profile and there you can see many options and just click on accounts. And then you can see an option switch to professional account. In the next screen you will be seeing two options to describe you the best. The first option is creator, mainly for public figures, artists and producers. Another one is business, best for retailers, brands and organizations. So for us, select business. Now we got the welcome screen and then just click continue. And now we need to select the category of our business. I'm selecting education, then click done. And now our personal account has been switched to business account. And now enjoy your new interactions with your friends and clients while building your brands. It is time to consider how Instagram can help you to grow your business. And that's all for today. I hope you all like my video. Please subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing updates.